Today we're going to be working on the business end of the M3. Under the bonnet there's a heat control valve that I suspect is stuck in the open position. That's why this car, ever since I've known of it, has been making you very hot inside. So no matter even if the air conditioning's off, everything's off, you still get hot inside. Turn it on, it can blow like cold air out the front vents, but it's always going to be hot at the feet no matter what you do. So I'm going to replace the heater control valve and hope for the best. I don't know how this thing works. What kind of a clip is this? Okay, good thing I don't have to take it off then. Why is there no bolt in there? Oh, I bought the wrong part. Why did you buy the wrong part? Because you're rebelling, that's why. This part finally arrived, the water valve pump thing. I ordered it from somewhere in Eastern Europe and it got stuck in customs for ages, but I've got it now. And I'm gonna fit it to the BMW and hopefully it works. It doesn't look great. It's got the spray that's been sprayed on it. I don't know why they did that, but I think I'm just gonna fit it and see if it works. If it works, then we can do a cleanup on the part later. I just want to see if it works. I don't want to spend all this time making it look pretty and then it doesn't even work. Or if it's not the problem, I'll put the old one back in. So let's do that. And it's in. Hello.
Hello.
Hi Yogi Bean.
I'm the butterfly.
Hello Yoga Butterfly. I'm a dirty man.
Okay. That's the dirt.